Hello and thank you for viewing. This video shows how to use the LCP copy function in VLT Series Drives in order to save the programming parameters, or to copy the parameters to, or from another drive. This function allows easy commissioning in the event a replacement drive is needed or when many drives need to be programmed with the same parameters. Please take a moment now to pause the video to read the safety warnings shown here. Failure to follow these warnings could result in death or serious injury.
If you own a Danfoss Series Drive and you want to copy parameters from one drive to another, then this video is for you. My name's Joel from Tech Support, and today I'm going to show you how to do it in 2 minutes or less using only the keypad. To copy the parameters, it really only takes about a minute or so. We're going to start by just hitting the main menu button and go into our 0 operation and display, and then to 0-5 copy save. Now, if you see it says LCP copy, you're in the right place. And it'll show 0 no copy. That's okay. We'll hit OK to attempt to do it, and it'll say not while running, which is normal. So what you got to do is turn your drive to the off position, which will stop all operation. Once that's done, navigate back to that same window in the 0-50 group, and then change the no copy over to 1 all to LCP. Once you do that, you can go ahead and hit OK, and it'll watch the copy complete. Once that copy is done, it shouldn't take more than a minute or so. You can go ahead and pop the screen off. Just place your fingers on the top of the screen and pull forward firmly, and the screen should rock out. You can see that the green power lights are still on. The drive's actually still on and functioning. But you can place that screen back into the other drive. Just make sure that it is not running. And you can go back to your 0 group, 0-5, and then go back to that LCP copy. But instead of going to 1 all to LCP, we're going to now switch over to all from LCP. We're using this as sort of a flash drive. The only thing that I would recommend checking after a copy from one drive to another is checking your motor data to make sure that all of that has transferred and is accurate to your motor.
In addition to copying parameters to, or from the LCP, 2 other functions can be found from within the 0-50 menu group. Selection 3, Size independent from LCP, allows copying all keypad parameters to a drive except for the motor data. This can be useful if you're copying the parameters to a different size drive but want to retain the same basic programming parameters. It will be necessary to manually enter the connected motor data for proper drive function. The last choice is selection 10, Delete LCP copy data. Selecting this option will delete any saved drive parameters currently saved in the keypad. Please note that this does not delete the actual drive parameters, only the saved parameter file that was previously copied to the keypad. Thanks for viewing. We hope this information has been helpful. Danfoss Drives can provide additional technical support, parts information, or repair services options by contacting us through one of the following methods. For immediate access to customer service or a technical support expert in North America, call 1-888-DANFOSS or 1-888-326-3677. Or contact us using one of the listed email addresses. Additional information is available on our website at danfossdrives.com. For contact information in areas outside of North America, please visit our global website at danfoss.com.